Okay, yes, we are live. Hello, 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 and welcome everyone to this amazing and very special workshop that we are hosting before the hackathon. Here you will be going to learn how to, from idea to implement your solution and build something out of it in using vibe coding in less time. Here we have with us Shreya, our amazing speaker of the day, and today she'll be teaching you how you can do what she'll be doing right now. So just open your laptops, okay, and you have to maybe you can also live code or just to make it interactive. If you have any kind of questions, don't think that this question is silly or no. Every question is very, very important. Just write away out of it. If you don't know anything, even if you don't know what is vibe coding, just write it out. Shreya would happy to answer. Yes, we are also running a small contest. The people with the most comments, like interacting with us, asking questions, answering questions, right, would be given Canva premium subscription. The duration would be decided at the end of the contest because we have awarded 1 month, 2 month, and 6 month Canva premium subscription just in the last a couple of sessions. So yes, happy to see you today as well. So Shreya, we can start with your introduction and then we can dive into vibe code from idea to product.
Yeah. So, firstly, hi everyone, and a very good afternoon. And thank you, Malik, for this opportunity to have the speaker session with all the great girls here. So I've already been in the group itself so for some time, but it's a very great opportunity to like speak in front of all you people, and hopefully we'll able to like teach you something, or maybe we can walk through something and create something of our own as well, right? So for this session, I would say this will be a vibe coding session. What is vibe coding and everything? We can like understand everything in details in the session itself. And what we are gonna do is we will be having one idea, any silly idea, anything, because this session will be a vibe coding idea, completely random, completely nothing else, and we will be going through that idea and create a good portfolio life application that you can all showcase. And like if you follow through with me, you can also like create some good ideas as well. So looking forward to like work with you, and maybe we can create some good applications as well. As for me, I am Shreya Sethi. I am the founder of Exa Vision Labs Private Limited. So basically it's a startup for immersive solutions. So we are working on different immersive solutions. So yeah, this is all about it, and let's start working on the vibe coding itself.
Yes, I'm way more than excited, and I hope you are excited as well. Yeah, Shai, you can share your screen, and then I can put the screen in the limelight so that everyone, can see it.
Sure.
And please,
Before that,
just
if
yeah, yeah, yeah,
yeah, before that, if people are like followed here, following with me, you should like comment something so I can see if people are following me or something. So I will know how many people are following me or doing some things with me. So if you can like drop a hi or maybe something, any random idea.
yeah. I'm also check it out how many are live from the app itself. Just give me a second.
Also, I guess yeah, my screen is visible, right?
Yeah, now your screen is visible,
Yeah.
and wow, this is the PPT. Which tool you have used to make this PPT?
It's
This
Canva.
is okay. It's Can. Oh my God,
By the
it
way,
is.
I was like starting with the Gamma. It's a very good tool, but again, I wanted to create something of more creative thing, so I made it from scratch.
Wonderful. We have till now 8 people joining us live.
Hmm.
And there is some issue, Shreya, on LinkedIn. When we live stream on LinkedIn, there is latency of 2 to 3 minutes. When you ask a question, like they'll hear later on, and we get received like a little bit delay. Okay, so keeping that
Yeah.
in mind, and everyone in this session, whosoever comments be interactive, will be giving them Canva Premium. No top 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. We will giving them Canva Premium subscription for sure. Yes, at the end of this session, you have to share the email, and I'll note it down. This is for sure, so that you can also make such beautiful PPTs as Shreya's made. I loved it. Yeah.
Yeah, basically, I understand the idea was to create something like random or vibe coding. Like, so I suppose this looks nice. So yeah, if everyone is ready, we can start with the vibe coding, right?
Yes, we can start.
So, firstly, I will say this thing, this is not a class. I'm not a teacher and I'm not gonna take any test. We are just gonna be creating something. We are just gonna have an idea and creating, like, having a conversation and creating that complete interaction with, like, in the workshop itself. So it's not a class, so don't be nervous, don't be do anything, just be yourself and work on any idea or anything that you wanted to do. So at the end, most probably you will be able to create, like, we all have different ideas. So most probably after the workshop we will be able to create that application or that website that you always wanted to create, right? Yeah. So for all the workshops we have some rules, and for this workshop we has as well. So first is there is no wrong ideas. So I want this to be an interactive session, so all the people who have joined, please comment down so I can understand you. And if you're not understanding anything, make sure, like, you write anything, just any question and anything, so we have a conversation here. I'm not here to like teach you something or anything, because I don't think so that would work. There are many YouTube lectures that you can follow along. If you like follow along with me, if you ask some questions and anything, I would be like happy to help you with that. And if you like think there is any idea that is wrong or anything, that is not a case. Write what you want to write, anything that you want to speak, anything, just. So this is the common rule that this workshop will be following. Just have the curiosity, just have the fun and everything, right? There is no perfection here. So yeah, so firstly, what are we gonna do here? And if we understand what is vibe coding is we are gonna use AI. We are all very habitual of what AI is and everything, chat GPT, cloud and everything. But vibe coding is what we are using, normal natural language. Like, I'm talking with you, I'm having a conversation with you in normal plain English language, and I will be having conversation with AI itself. I will be like asking AI to like make this thing, make that thing and everything, and that AI will create all the things in real time ahead of us. So that is vibe coding. So we are vibing with the AI, and we will both create something that maybe took take a lot of time if we are not doing it with AI, right? So what are we gonna do here is we will start with the idea. So we will be having an idea. It would be good if you guys give me some ideas of your own as well. Other than that, we will start with an idea. Next, we will be creating a product, like a document. All the things that we are thinking about that particular idea, we will be writing it down. So we are having a structure way of doing that thing. That then we are gonna create a wireframe. So it's not something, it's not a slide anything, it will be just be boxes where this thing will be going, where this button will be doing, what this button is gonna do, where the text is and everything. And after we are done with the wireframe, we will first create a prompt. So rather than giving a messy prompt to ChatGPT, to Lovable, we will create a prompt from ChatGPT first, and then the prompt that we got from ChatGPT, we will provide it to the Lovable, and hopefully create an application that we are already thinking, right? So yeah, I suppose this is you all are understanding the workflow and everything. If you are understanding, write a yes in the comment so I can understand that you are following along. Yeah.
Wonderful. The
So
latency, due to latency, will be having a little bit delay, but the
yeah,
yes would
I'm
be coming.
understanding that. That is the reason
And yes,
I'm like,
allow
yeah,
me for a minute. I have to do an urgent call. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, Shreya?
sure, sure. Go
Cool.
ahead. Thank you. Yeah, so people will ask me, if there is an AI, why do we need to create a document? Why do we need to do all these structure and everything? So, see, we are all having AI tools and everything, but to create a good application, to execute the idea that we all are having, we need to make it a structured way. right? So we need to go from a structured path. So we will have an idea, then we will think who this idea is for, what are the things that these people are having, what are the problems that these people are having. Then what we are gonna do is we will write down some of the features that we can create for that particular idea, right? And then after all these things, we got to understand, okay, this is the particular user base, this is the particular feature that these people needed, and these are the problems that these people are having. After that, we will having a complete good flow of what the application would look like. So this will give you a structured way. So I understand that you people will be having a hackathon tomorrow. So if you go on, like if you will be having an idea, if you go in a structured way, that would help you a lot. So if like understand the process here, and then hopefully do it well tomorrow as well. Okay. So yeah, now let's talk about the idea that we are gonna work on. So I guess there is a latency, but I can wait as well. So if you guys can list down any idea that you guys are having, like any idea that you always wanted to execute, or you always want, like there should be a application or app like that. So just wanted to hear you out, like what type of things that you people think, and the application that you guys are having. So yeah, if you can comment down any idea that you guys are having.
Yes. So in the of the previous question, we have yes, understood, and yes from Rishika, Muskan, and Archita. We can continue. Like you can ask the question, and due to latency, it will be like we'll be receiving the comments in a little bit delay. You can see in the right, but we can
Mhm.
continue. Otherwise, it will be a silence, and then yeah.
Yeah, understanding that. Okay, no issues with that. Let me choose an idea for you itself. So yeah, so the idea that the application that we are gonna make today is, it's an application that helps students find their right professional to talk to. So we all are student, we all worked for a student, we all once didn't knew anything about it, and we wanted some bhaiya or didi to like ask questions and everything. And maybe some people don't have all these bhaiyas and didis, so let's create an application for that. So we can have those professionals, whatever the professional that you wanted to talk, whatever the company that you wanted to go to, you can talk to that person and ask any question that you want. So this is the idea that we are going to make today. Sounds good?
Sounds wonderful.
Yeah. Okay, then as I said, we will be having a structure here rather than just jumping on the lovable and creating the application itself. We will be starting from the PRD. So, what is a PRD? It's a product requirement document. So, what is this? This is a document where we will be writing everything regarding the idea itself. So, who is this idea for? What problems are they having? And what the success looks like for these people. So what problems they are having, will we understand, okay, these are the problems that these people are having. And then after understanding those problems, we can understand, okay, these are the features that could help them, because we are making MVP for the first time. And after creating that MVP, we will see, okay, after we have did that, what are the success that would be look like. There will be sessions that are drawn, and people will be asking professionals and everything. So this is the PRD that we will be having. So let's first create the PRD itself. So I have created a template for that. Let me just fill that template for the same idea. So as I said, this is a product requirement document. What we are gonna have is, what are we building. So let's take one name. So let me call it Mentor Hunt. If we will be having a interactive session, I would be asking you, but no issues. Okay, so as I said, this is an application for that will help students to connect with professionals. And professionals won't be needing to answer all these DMs and everything without the hassle. maybe um, all these DMs, because we all ask these people what do we do and everything, and they are also busy in their stuff. So let's create an application for that, so they will be having a time and you can ask anything that you wanted to say. Okay, now the question is, who is this for? So again, the product requirement document is all about what this thing is about and what are the problems they are having. So as we understand, primary user would be the students, right? So describe the person using this app. So these will be the students, and what stages of life they would be having. So maybe they are in students in like their initial stage, early professionals, because these are also students, or maybe career switches, right? And if we understand there is a secondary user as well, so students will be asking from professionals. So the secondary user is professional. Okay, now we understand what this app is all about and what users we will be catering. Now let's understand what the problem they are having. So from this point of view, from this application, the problem is students don't get to connect with the professionals due to maybe they are busy. So yeah, I can write all these things myself, but I have already created this documents. So let me just open that document itself and we can proceed ahead. Because main our goal is to create the application. So yeah, I guess you all understand this thing. So I can share this template as well to all the people so they can like help you in the workshop as in the hackathon as well. So just write, just have the idea, understand what problem you guys are solving and what does the success metric looks like to you. Like there will be, just write two or three things, the two or three emotional factors that you would be calculating, and then write your core features. What are the features that you are thinking? Because see, if you are making an MVP, it's a need that you write down all the important features that you want, not all the features, and then write down all the screens that you are thinking. Like these are some of the screens that you will be thinking, and tell your vibe as well. Because see, if you give ChatGPT or Claude anything, everything about the product or the application, it will help you create a good prompt. Then also you can tell what you guys are not building. So this will be an MVP. You guys will be creating an MVP as well. So don't write everything that you will be doing. Right? These are something that I will be doing, and these are something that I won't be doing. So you can write that as well, and you can write some constraint as well. So maybe it will be a web application or mobile application. So you can write everything. This is a template. You can go through it. So yeah, for the same idea, I have created this template. So you can see the app name is Mentor Hunt. If we understand one line description, it's an application that helps students find the right professional to talk to for guidance without awkward cold DMs, right? So our primary users will be students, secondary users will be working professionals. Problem we are solving, again, we are having a session, we are giving a session to students by the professional that they wanted to understand. And if we understand features, I have listed down some of the features. So from the high level view, there will be two buttons. There will be first for the student dashboard and second for the mentor dashboard. Student dashboard will be having some features and mentor dashboard help will be having some features. Students will be able to book or see all the professional that they are that is listed on the platform, and professional can list them on the platform itself. So this is a complete PRD of the mentor hunt, the idea that I've told said you. Okay, so yeah, after this, what we are gonna do is just copy this thing and go to ChatGPT, paste it out, and tell ChatGPT to like create a prompt to give to Lovable to create an application for students book their with professionals. Uh, Detailed. So yeah, I guess this is good for now for the prompt, and let's give it a go. So as you can see, we have a very big and detailed prompt. So we don't need all these things to give to Lovable. So we are giving it to ChatGPT, so it can create a prompt that we can like just paste to the Lovable and everything. So it has given us a prompt. Let's just see what it has given. Okay, the prompt is create a beginner friendly web application called Mentor Hunt, right? It will help student book one-on-one guidance call with working professional without awkward. Okay. Single web application, no login, no. This see, this is the constraint that I've written because this is an MVP. I don't want all these login, sign up, payment, chat, anything. This is just via a dashboard where mentors can list themselves and students can see all the mentors that are present and they can book a call with them, right? So now it is giving details about the dashboard as well, like student dashboard. It will be having a home and intro screen, then input form, and then mentor screen. Okay, okay, I suppose, see, this is they have given the flow as well. So open app, build short form. Okay, I suppose this looks nice to me, so let's give it a go. Yeah, so let's just copy this thing, copy the complete prompt, and then let's go to Lovable. So yeah, let me give you a brief of Lovable dashboard as well. So yeah, you will be writing all your prompt here. You can attach your files as well here as well, and you can choose your themes here as well. Like if you have a theme in mind, you can select any theme here. So I have like created a theme before, so I like this theme. So let me just select that, and we can also give some screenshots as well, connectors and all. And if you don't want like ChatGPT to create some like Lovable to create anything, just want to chat with it, you can click this button and you can have a chat with Lovable. It will just be like the ChatGPT. Okay. And if you don't want to write then out everything, you can just speak it loud and it will write it. As for the dashboard other things, we are having all these projects. So I have created a project earlier as well, so let me just show you what project we will be creating. And then you can see we are also having multiple templates. So these are community driven templates already created, so we can also select any of them and we can work on that as well. So yeah, I guess this looks nice as well, but we will be creating from scratch. Okay, again, next we can see, okay, this is a learn dashboard where we can learn. Yeah, yeah, that's about it, I guess. Maybe if you have any question, you can ask me on chat. Otherwise, we can go ahead.
We do have a
Okay,
questions,
and yeah,
Shreya. Let's take them. Okay, Nandika is saying please to share the template. Lavanya is saying please to share the template so that they can also what you can do, they can also have the template. Let's make the QR code so that they can scan and
hmm,
download it. If you can go to
right.
Adobe QR code
Yeah,
generator
yeah, yeah.
or something.
No,
Yeah.
I can even create it on Canva as well.
Yeah,
I
wonderful.
have even
Canva is,
created one.
all-in-one solution of everything. So that
Yeah.
everyone you can generate the QR code to get the template, and then you can download the template and can, uh, of course,
Hmm.
they're not able to perform everything that they've done till now. Oh my God, but it's okay.
Sure. So you want template for the PRDA? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Just give me a minute. I'll create the QR code here. I was thinking of like sharing it on the group, but no issues. I can share it here as well.
You can also share it in the group. You're in the group, but if you want me to share it, please share it with me right away. I can share it right now.
Yeah, sure. Let me just create both. Like I can share on group as well, and like
Yeah. And in the meantime, I'll take the next questions. Yashika, hi Manik, loving the
yeah,
sessions,
sure.
very informative. Thank you so much, Yashika, for joining all the sessions. I hope that you'll, win this contest of this session too, because you're a constant attendee. Is she excited? We are too excited. Hirva Singh just joined late. What's going on? Can anyone tell me? Hey, Hirva, thank you so much for joining. So we are going to build, and from an idea to real app using vibe coding. So yeah, you haven't missed much. Just stay tuned. And in the meantime, you can scan this QR code to download the PRD. And yeah, in the meantime, you're scanning. Let's move to the further questions. Yes, she's asking. We can ask ChatGPT only to give us a good prompt. Shreya, what are your opinions? Or we can use other
Yeah,
AI.
you can
Can
use
you
any
zoom
AI.
zoom more
I
the QR code?
Yes,
Zoom it.
even I can present it, so you can see
Yeah,
it
nee,
clearly.
zoom it to the full that we are able to only see the QR code.
Sure.
Zoom it, zoom it. Yeah, a little bit less. Yeah, perfect. Huh. We can use only ChatGPT.
No, no. You can use any LLM like Claude, Hubia, and Perplexity, and anything. Like I like ChatGPT more because it's my companion. So you can use Claude. You can use any LLM that you like. So that's an up to you.
Nice. Thank you so much, Nandika, for clearing Irva's question. Okay, got it. Thanks for letting me know. Nice. This kind of conversation we need in the comment section. Just talk to each other and
Yeah.
ask questions. Okay. I also tried Lovable. It gives really great UI. Yes, indeed. And they are the sponsors. Though we are facing some issues with the code, but still it's not on our end. I redeemed it myself, but I've mailed them and would be hoping to get response from the team. What is PRD? Sorry, I joined late. Here by saying.
Yeah. So it's a
So maybe you
product
can cover in
requirement
one or two
document.
lines. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a product requirement document, what it is, and we will be having everything regarding the question, like idea there. So what is this idea about? What is this product about? And like maybe what are the users that this product is all about? What are the problems that these people are having? So I can even show you what it looks like. So yeah, we have written everything related to that. Who is this for? So everything related to the idea is in product is in PRD. So the problem, what success looks like, what are the features, screens, what's the vibe, and yeah, everything.
Nice, and thank you so much, Nandika, again for clearing Irva's question. Maybe you both could become very good virtual friends. So you both must connect with each other, okay? And yeah, she is saying agreed. Yeah, let's proceed. Now I believe everyone have scanned the QR code and got their PID. Can you please check if the document is viewable for everyone, public, in the settings,
Yeah, let
the
me.
Google Doc of
Yeah,
PID?
this is PRD.
No, click on
Yeah,
share above.
it's
Okay,
active. That is
everyone
the
can
reason
see.
that people
Nice,
are
cool.
having.
Yeah, we can proceed. Thanks, Shreya.
Okay, so I was just showing you. So I have created this one demo, but we can like maybe start with that, so we won't waste much time. Okay, then let's go to home, and I have already copied everything, the prompt. Just copy it again. Give the prompt again, and let's see the magic. Maybe. Yeah. So you can see I have given the prompt. It was a detailed prompt. It was having all the different features that I wanted. It tells everything, the structure, what are the dashboard, what would be the flow, everything related to that. So that is what, like, if you have a clear idea, then you create a PRD. You have you know what are the features there will be, and what problems you are solving, what users you are catering. You will be having a complete detailed prompt as well. That is the reason I was saying you create a PRD, because you can always create, like, with the prompt itself from the start. But if you go in a structured way, that would help you a lot in the long run, or maybe in the application as well. So yeah, if you can see, it is creating our application, and I guess it will take some time. So maybe we can get some more questions in the meanwhile. And if you guys are not having any question, I can like tell you something related to the AI and everything, because I understand from Malik that some of the people are new or beginners. So maybe I can tell some new or basic details regarding the AI, LLM, RAG, or everything. I guess this sounds good. Okay, so go to Miro.
How to think about an idea, minimal MVP for a 4-hour hackathon? Any idea? We do have the question from Yashi.
Okay, so idea.
Thanks, Yashi, for asking.
You want to know like how to think about the idea, or you want to know if you have the idea how you are gonna structure it and everything for the 4 hour.
Yeah, Yashi, can you tell us a bit more about it? Then that would be great. In the meantime, if anyone have any kind of questions, they can ask because our speaker is really experienced. And okay, let me not reveal it otherwise. Okay, cool. Yeah, we can proceed further.
Yeah.
This is
So
Miro. What is this used for? Actually, Shreya, I've heard about this platform but haven't tried myself out.
to be honest, I'm also trying it sometime. Like I haven't tried it much, like, but it's a good application. Like I usually I go to Paint for all my ideas, so how this will be going, how the flow will be going and everything. But Miro looks like good to me for that. So you can create everything, like you can type it, you can create a flow and everything in a single dashboard itself. So it looks fine to me.
Wonderful. We received a reply from Yashi both.
Yeah. So
She wanted to know about both how to think about an idea and how to convert that idea into a minimal MVP for a 4-hour hackathon.
okay. So firstly, see, whenever you wanted to like think of an idea, you need to like see your surrounding more. Like this idea, that the idea that I've come here. So I just have this idea because I see there are students who 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 like who thinks like they wanted to speak with professionals and everything, but professionals, they are busy people and everything, so they are not able to speak with these people. But if we have an application for that, it will solve a lot of people's problem, right? So yeah, again, it started from like my surrounding itself. So I speak with a lot of students. They wanted to understand a lot of things. They even DM me more, a lot of things like how do I start an immersive tech and everything. So maybe I'm not able to answer all these people, but if there is a platform like that, um, they can book a person and they can like speak with that person on a book, like on a specified time. So that would work for both of these people. No time will be wasted and everything. So again, for the idea that you are thinking, you can start with whatever you like if is there any application or a website that you think that there should be a website or anything, but there is not? Or maybe you see any problem statement and you think, okay, this is a problem, how can I solve it? How can an application or a website can solve this problem? So after that, or maybe you can have a conversation with the chat GPT or Claude to understand, okay, these are some of the problems that I can work. Or yeah, you will be able to create an idea after that. And after you had the idea, um, see, for this demo as well, I used just 2 or 3 hours, so it doesn't take much of a time. Why? Because I was clear with that, with the stuff. You should be like clear with the AI and everything. So AI, use AI as much as you can, because it is a companion of yours. So use AI for brainstorming, use AI for feature understanding, use AI for market maybe understanding, understand the problem, everything. Then after you have understand all the stuff, like what are the problems, what are the things it is, and what is your vision regarding the project, you can give all the details to AI and ask ChatGPT to like create some of the minimal features that I can create to solve these problems. And it will create a good feature list. You can eliminate some, you can, if you like some, you can like accept those, and then create a PRD, because PRD, it will be having a structured document. So you can write all the things that you have understand in a single document. Then again, give that PRD to the ChatGPT, create a prompt, and give it to Lovable. And Lovable again, it will be created like it has created as the application as well. So it will create your application. Then just see through it, and whatever you don't like, whatever you like, just tweak it out, and you will be good to go for 4 hours. It's a very good amount of time you can do it.
Yeah, I hope that answers the question, Yashi. That's amazing. And we do have another question from Archita. How to actually think about good ideas for project? Classic
Okay.
question. Yeah.
See, from what I understand is na, there are ideas for entertainment. There are ideas that is good. There are ideas that is needed. So, from my perspective, I always look into the ideas that is needed, that solves some kind of problem, and that is a use case kind of problem. So, try to look what are the problems that real users are having, and then come up with some ideas that you can solve, like come up with an application or a website that can solve that problem statement, and that will create a great idea for you. So yeah, you can start with that.
I guess that answers the question, Archita. Thank you for asking. We would be, yeah, nice. Let's proceed.
Yeah, sure. So yeah, we have given the prompt, and it has created us a decent website, I guess. Yeah, let's see what it is. So we have two tabs as we specified. So we will be having a find a mentor, it's a student, and become a mentor, it will be a for professionals. Okay. What we understand is, okay, this is a mentor profile. We will set availability here because we have specified it. So for those people who are not available, they can just toggle it off. Then write your name, current role, company, what are the things that you can help with. Tell me something about yourself, and then share your Calendly link. For the people who don't know what this Calendly is, it's a tool that can help you book calls with other people. So let me just show you what it looks like. So yeah, I have created one meeting link as well. So with that, like if I see it, let me show. So yeah, this is the availability chart for me. If you see, so you can book any time slot here, whatever you like, and that will book and meeting for you with the person, and everything is handled here. So we can just use this to create the booking, just to like create it. So as you can see, I'm doing this fast. I'm not taking time to like think how should I do this. I'm just using all the different tools that are already present. So for booking, I'm not creating anything. I'm just using Calendly. So for a like hackathon where you have constraint in time, you can use tools here. Lovable is a tool, and then maybe Calendly is a tool. Then any other tool that the idea is needed. Okay, so this is a profile that we can create a profile. Okay, let's see for the student panel. Let's see, find a mentor. Okay, we are asked, what are we? Are we a student, fresher, early career? Let's choose one. Okay, I'm a student. Career clarity I need. Software engineering. Let's continue. Okay, as we said it, we want cards here. So these are cards. These are the peoples that are available that will help us with the career clarity that we have selected. Let's select this, and we will get to know more about the Sarah. Okay, about her, she loves helping folks. She's a PM, and what can help she help her? Product management, career clarity. Okay, let's book a call. Let's see it. It doesn't work. Why? Because we haven't specified anything. We have just created the front end here. So this is complete front end. There is no DB here. There is no back end. Everything is a front end. We are just having some random buttons and everything. So yeah, but if you see, we have just created it in 10-20 minutes, right? Now what we can do, we will specify it. Okay, this button will do something, this button will do something, right? Okay, before that, let me Okay, can you tell me what is the thing that is needed right now? Okay, and let's think. So we will be having different tabs, we will be having different values. I guess we will be needed a database, right? So let's integrate the database first. Because I've already integrated, I'm seeing it here. So what we are using the database here is Supabase. Okay. So we are using Supabase. So it's a database, open source database that you can use, and it is easy to integrate this database in the Wibble itself. Because I've already like, let me show you as like how you can integrate it. Mm. So go to settings. Okay, then you are having a different panel here. Like you can see multiple settings here. You can see display name, everything related to that, different plans, everything. But our main focus is connectors. Okay, after you go there, you see multiple integrations. Like you can integrate cloud here, you can integrate AI, Stripe, everything. But our focus is Supabase. And for the starters, you won't be having this here, so you can just browse this. You can see here, just click it, and then manage your the dashboard will be different for you. You can always select the organization, then connect a project. So I already have an organization. I will just connect the project itself, and it has connected me with the project. If you have any issue here, you can always ask me in the comments. But right now we have connected the database here. Okay, so the connection is done. So we are having Supabase here. We can see it here. Yeah. So now what we can do is we will now work on all these buttons. So whatever the buttons we are having, we will be making interactions here. Okay, let's see. Maybe we can start from there. So after we write all the different values here, it should be saved on the DB. So let's write that. Okay, we have connected Supabase when a professional and show it to the student panel. Okay, so what we want is when we write these values, we want all the values to get to the database. Because right now, if I write anything, let me show you. Okay, okay, let me say. Let's say okay, and let me write my calendar. Okay, let's see if our profile is saved or not. So it's not saved. Why? Because we have the database, but we haven't saved anything in the database right now. So our first task is to save all the details. So I have written all in the complete doc here, prompt here. So we have the Supabase. When we write the prompt here, it should be saved on the DP, and I can see that in the student panel. Let's give it a go. And yeah, for the meantime, you can ask any question that you are having right now, because I guess it is all overwhelming to understand all these things.
Okay, maybe we are this session is very, very, very positive because I feel that some of the people, random attendees, are going to become good friends from this session itself. They're helping each other, they're discussing. Nice.
Okay,
Wow.
that's nice.
And Shreya, I want to know that the credit would work for you, the code.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, because now we are facing that the promo code is not working. Okay,
No, no, it
thank.
worked for me. I have got the credit here. We just use 10 credits. So I even see like it's not using much of my credit. So I've created the complete demo here and it just use 9 to 10 credits only.
We can create a lot. That's the beauty.
Yeah,
Even if you don't want to use Lovable, at least redeem the credits. They are our sponsors. They are giving.
yeah.
So yes, we can make something later on. Yeah, cool.
And people should, you should even like, this is a great opportunity for you. Like, connect with the team, maybe other people, and create a good project of yours, because hackathons, I have joined some hackathons and it's a great opportunity to learn and to grow with each other.
Yes, and one thing, this hackathon is special because I've seen in hackathons people tend to build a project which solves a problem. But this hackathon,
Mhm.
we want hackers to build weird solution, not one solving a problem, weird
Yeah.
one. This is the base criteria for the judgment. Will if the if the project is very good solving problem, that's okay. But we are not able to, select it in top 10 because the base criteria is weirdness and fun. Like how
Mm.
much fun it would be for the hackers to build it, how weird the project is, how unique. It's a easy mental health assistant, healthcare assistant, same project, but we want to see something unique, something weird. And that is quite difficult. That is why see, Yashi is saying, Yashi Gupta, this is one of the most unique hackathon I am participating in. Thinking about a weird idea feels more difficult than a needed sensible idea. That is
Mm.
of course true. Yeah, Yashi, I guess we have encountered an error. Let's solve it out together.
I guess it will solve it out itself, because Lovable, like, I have used multiple AI applications, so Lovable is different here, because it's just for like for non-programmers more. You don't need to
Yeah,
write, use any like, edit any code and everything. It will just create and everything do it on, because when I published it in the demo, so it gave me some errors and it solved it itself. So I just clicked some buttons and it solved it itself. So
that's the
it's the
beauty of
beauty of the
Lovable.
Lovable. Yeah.
Wow. And Ajita is saying thank you. Yashika is saying thank you, thank you, thank you for joining. And Nandika is agreeing with Yashi that this is one of the nice hackathon. Great, Nandika. And Lavanya is saying, Yashi Gupta, yeah, exactly. I've been thinking about what to create for the hackathon, and it's hard to come up with weird ideas. It's gonna be so
Mm.
much fun tomorrow. Yes. And what we are thinking, we'll be having virtual jamming because one of the speakers who joined us yesterday was like guitarist. She was a guitarist and she sang very beautiful songs, Gulabi Aakhe and Nadania virtually, and that was so beautiful. And I just told to her if it would be possible for her to come and we could have a jamming session. So I'm finding someone, a girl who can sing, who want to sing for a jamming session. So maybe if Nandika, Lavanya, Ashi, if you are up, if you want to sing with uh, yeah, with the our amazing speaker, then yeah, it would be fun. And if any activity, if you have in mind, then that we can do during the hackathon. So we are open to suggestions. And yeah, we are also thinking to have a Google Meeting link where it is like open for all. You just come, you just talk to hackers virtually. If you want to build together, you just want to build together so that you can talk with each other. Virtual networking kind of something we are planning. So that would be shared too. Rest, we have some amazing activities lined up too for you. I hope that you have visited, check the website. If not, then let me know. Cozy Corner, Frosty Bites, like Ardley Quiz will be having a virtual mood board we are having where you can, just share anything, how you're feeling participating in the hackathon, your mood or what you learned, or the year is ending. So, any learning that you got, like anything. Just like in physical hackathon, we have mood board now, where all the hackers write about their
Yeah.
something. So, kind of. So,
I,
Shreya
I
would love.
suppose it. I suppose it is more like a vacation rather than a hackathon. I'm just thinking this thing because the vibe is different here. It's not the usual hackathon that we have. where
Yeah,
everything is
and
serious. We are creating something that is solving something for like to go to Mars and everything. But it's just
yeah,
normal. Let's create something fuzzy and have some fun.
that is one more thing. And of course, I wanted to go to actually Shimla with the on 25th, but then I had this idea, let's organize a hackathon. But for a hackathon, I sacrifice that. I'll say we'll go maybe in next years or so, but we'll organize this hackathon and make it very valuable. So yes, I still have FOMO when I see some of the friends who are in, but it's okay. Yeah, we'll make this hackathon equally fun and amazing tomorrow for all the hackers. We
Yeah.
can proceed, I guess.
Yeah. So
Cool.
that is what I'm saying. We, as you can see, we got an error, but it's itself like solved everything. I don't need to do anything here. I don't need to go to these codes and everything. We can just see everything. So let's see if it is doing what we intended to do. Let me write the thing again. Let me just select anything. Okay, there is an error creating the profile. What's the error? So any error that you find here, you can just write it down. You don't need to do anything here again. Let's see if it is able to solve it or not. In the meanwhile, yeah, you were saying something.
Yeah, I'm back. I can talk like hours. Whenever AI is processing, just call me and I'll be here talking. So yes,
That is the
let's
reason I told you.
yeah, let's get back to the comment section because it's really interesting. Yeah, she's saying so true, Nandika, Lavanya. You all should just come tomorrow in the virtual meeting. You all could become a very good friends. I believe Yashi, Nandika, Hirwa, everyone in the comment section, Archita. Nice. And Lavanya is saying, can we also add backend for projects in Lovable, same like database, Shreya?
Yeah. So if you can
Wonderful.
see, I'm integrating database here, and we can like so you can do anything here. Just need to know what you want, and it will help you create. So it's an assistant for you. I always
Yeah,
use ChatGPT or all these application as an assistant for me. So yeah.
it's like Jin ka Chirag. Your wish is their command. Just wish and it will
Yeah.
do it for you. Okay.
You just need to know your wish.
Yes. uh, and sometimes it's even difficult to know what you wish for. So yes, and Kavinya is saying thank you. Really excited for tomorrow. We are equally and more excited for you for tomorrow's hackathon, Yashika. And can't wait what you build. Yashi would love to listen to songs while vibe coding. Nice. Actually, we would we have organized one hackathon, Hackora, and we have organized it in Discord. And Discord has inbuilt feature like you can listen lo-fi songs while coding. And we saw that most of the hackers are not active on Discord, so we thought to shift it to WhatsApp this time. But yeah, we'll try to give this vibe in a virtual meeting as well. And one more thing, the hackathon would be live streamed. I'll be live streaming the entire hackathon for 4 to 5 hours on LinkedIn. So if anyone wants to join, they can come. So yes, in the last hackathon, I live streamed for 24 hours live. I've only slept for 2 3 hours and rest it live streamed on YouTube. So this
I
one
guess
would
it's
going
an
to be
hackathon
amazing.
for you as well.
Yes, yes. As an organizer, I don't want that I'll sleep and hackers would be hacking.
Yeah.
I'll be up and cheering for you. And we'll be having some podcasts too. So if any of the
Mhm.
hackers want to share about their project and want to share their journey, so the stage is all open. We just will invite you here, and they can share about themselves. So I guess our application is ready, Shreya.
That
Or
is the thing that I was saying. So as you can see, if people were seeing me, I created one mentor thing in here. I'm not able to see it here, but you can see it in Superbase. So it's a table that we are creating. You can see my name here, the things that I selected, everything, but it's not seeing here. So maybe there is an issue here. So let's correct that as well. So you can see here, I'm just tweaking it out. I'm doing the testing and everything. I am asking all the things, and Lovable is doing everything. I'm not doing anything. I'm just asking, okay, this is not working, this is working, solve this question and everything, and just chill for the time. Maybe I can do one more thing. I can empty this out because I've already had this. So you can see this is a super base like dashboard. Let me just quickly run it, and then I will tell you what this is all about as well. Refresh as well so it can have the right Superbase account and everything. So it's not very, I guess, tough because I'm not doing anything. I'm just giving the instructions and everything, and the web is doing everything, not me. Wait, let me see if it is working. Else, we will ask. So there is no mentor because we have removed all the mentors. Let me create one more mentor. Let's see. Okay, we are not having mentors right now as well. So let's give it right as well. So we are able to save the details. Let's see if we are able to save it or not. Yeah, we are able to save the details. We are having the details here, but it's not able to fetch it. Let's try to that. Change that. So okay, give it a go. Okay, for the meantime, let me tell you more about this Superbase and everything. So, this is a database, firstly. What is a database? So, all the things that you wanted to save, it will be saved in the database. So, the database is a kind of a tabular thing. So, all the things will be saved in a table type of thing. So, you can see there are multiple rows and everything. There are multiple things. So, we can see table editor, and our table is mentor. Everything is good here. Let me, okay, our thing is done here. Let's see it's working or not. Okay, we can see it now, right? Let me try it once again with my name maybe to see if it is working or not. Okay, save the changes. Let's see if it is here or not. So again, we are in DB. Let's see if it is saved. So yeah, it's saved. We can see. Let's see if it is fetching it right or not. There we are, students, software engineer, product management. Okay, we can select only one thing. Maybe we can change that as well. So you can change everything based on the things that you are having. Again, see, it is able to just get one thing here. So again, we can tweak it out. We can ask it to like change to fetch all the details. Maybe it's able to fetch one thing, not the all. So we can again tweak it out. Let me tell you, and it's something else. So we are not wasting our time on this thing. But if you see, we have the complete application here. We have the database here running, and all the details that we were having, we are already having. Let me show you one thing. Maybe we can show you one thing. That is, are we able to book the call or not? Because this is one of our feature that is important. So let's see if it is. See, I have given it my link, so it has opened up my call. So we can just book a call here, and it will book a call for me. So we book a call for maybe 1 p.m. tomorrow. Let me give it a name. Some other, okay, okay. Let's schedule the event. Okay, let's see we got the mail or not. Yeah, I got the mail on my phone. Let's see. So yeah, we can see we have got the mail as well, and all the details that I have written on the calendar. I can see it here. I can just join it on the Google Meet, and I can talk with the professional on the things that I wanted to learn. Again, for the things here, we can tweak it out. We can understand all the different details, and whatever the things that we wanted, we can always get it here. So this is about how we can create our idea into a reality. So this was our mentor panel. We can edit and we can write anything. And on our mentor panel, we can see all the people who have applied for a mail, right? Let me show you some more things that you can do here. So let's say you wanted to like change something. So rather than just asking Lovable to do everything, maybe I can do it on my own. So let's say I want to change this. So let's say ask it, okay, change this title to maybe find professionals who wants to help. Or you can even do it on your own manually as well. You can give it a go. Let's see what it will do here. See, it has done. For the same thing, we can change anything. If we want, if we don't like the theme, we can change that as well. So let's just go out of this. Let's find the theme here. So yeah, we have the design here. We have the themes. We can select anything. Like if you can see, we have themes here as well. So if we select this, maybe this, or maybe this. I like this one. Let's select. So when we apply it, it will apply the theme on our panel as well. Let's see, it has applied the theme. Yeah, see. For the mentor panel, okay, this has applied the theme as well here. Yeah. Okay, now we are done with the application, but what do we do here? We should be publishing it, right? So let's publish this application right now. So if you can see, we have 3 security scan. What is the reason? Let's see. So firstly, anyone is able to schedule the meet. Anyone is able to write, or anyone is able to write the database, because we haven't written any login or anything. So what we can do is we can just click the update thing. Again, all the errors, all the things, we don't need to do anything. We can just ask Lovable to solve those error, to solve those warnings for us. It will just take some time. It will evaluate all the errors and everything, and then it will apply that to our application. So give it a time, and let's get back to it as well. In the meanwhile, if you have any question, you can ask, because I guess we are heading towards the end.
So here I am. I'm back. The work is going
Yeah,
really great. So let's check the comment section. Okay, where we were previously, Yashi would love to listen to songs while vibe coding. Definitely, Yashi. It would be great if you could sing a few too. Uh, would really be helpful if you can tell how to meet the winning criteria. We have shared the hacker guide and it is mentioned in group description. You can check it out. It will be updated. Okay, there we have mentioned everything. Okay, Muskan, yeah, it will be good. I'm up for dancing. Nice, nice, Nandika. Yeah. Just if you are in the group, WhatsApp group, just DM me or just send me a connection request on LinkedIn. We can discuss there, and we can set up like people instrumenting, people singing, people dancing, and there would be perfect mood for the hackathon. Shreya, it would be great if you could join us too. In
yeah, I would
whatever
love
role. You would you
to.
be up for singing?
I don't think so. My singing would please people.
No, no, your voice is melodious. You should try.
Okay,
Okay,
maybe I
cool.
can try that.
Yes, yes, definitely. Now we have everyone. Yashi, this hackathon feels like a nice, positive Christmas activity. Definitely, it's a nice, positive Christmas activity. And thank you so much, Muskan, for joining. Ishwari saying, "Sir, I joined now because I had end term exam. All the best for your exam, Ishwari. अच्छे से देना. Did I miss something important regarding hackathon? Nothing much. Everything is shared in the group. The session is recorded. You can obviously refer to it later on as well." Nandika has a question, Shreya.
Yeah.
Sometimes while vibe coding, when I try to tweak some features, for example, changing the currency from dollars to rupees, the front end ends up changing completely from the original prompt. How can we
Right.
prevent this from happening without rerunning the entire flow and using up more credits?
To be honest, if you this happens with me a lot of time. Like, I want to change a small thing, and it changed my complete thing. So there are some things that you can do. First, if the change is not very big, you can change it on your own. Like I have shown you, like you can select. Right now it is fixing the thing, so but I can show you. You can like select the visual edits, and you can edit it on your own. So you don't need to tell everything here. Like maybe I want to edit the color here. So yeah, so I can edit it here. I don't need to do everything on with the Lovable. So try to not give it firstly, and then if you are still giving it because the thing is big, you can use a version control thing. So use a GitHub. Always use GitHub with vibe coding, because you can always go ahead or uh, previous commit or anything. Because let's say if you had committed something for anything, for any change, commit it, and you think, okay, this had ruined everything, so get back to the previous commit, and everything will be the same. So I always use GitHub with that, so you can use GitHub with that as well. Otherwise, just
Amazing.
use manual things, so to tweak some dollars or anything, or color maybe, so it won't use much of your credit, as well as you can do that as well, right?
Nice. And thanks, Yashi, for sharing your perspective as well. And yeah, in the meantime, let me tell the winning criteria as well. So, not restrictively, but vaguely, the winning criteria would be how much fun you had during building the project. Because when you explaining about the project, what it does, we don't want to show the code because it's vibe coding hackathon. Okay, we want to show the journey, why you built this project, why it is fun for you, why it is weird, why it is special. So there are no defined parameters. These are some of the parameters upon which we'll be judging your creativity. right? Not the complexity, not the code we'll see, no repository, nothing, but it's just the video would determine, because there would be we have approximately 650 plus hackers, so it would be very difficult for us to review the project. And we want to wrap this hackathon before Christmas, so we want to choose top 10 at 10 or 11 p.m. in the morning, so it's very, very difficult for us, right? So we'd not be spending much time seeing everything. We'll just seeing the project, we'll just seeing the video, and on the basis of the video we'll choosing, we'll give the marks, and then choose top 10. And then top 10, how we'll decide the winner, those top 10 would be converted into a poll on Girls Leading Tech LinkedIn, and then it's on you. As per the voting, we'll be choosing the winner. We'll be closing the voting on 25th, on the day of Christmas at 6 p.m. And the project with the majority of votes would emerge as a winner. Now, yeah, and then we would release the prices and all, though we don't have much cash prizes, but it's all about we tried our best to make this hackathon truly amazing for you, to have a great experience. So yes, this is everything, I believe, would help you.
Yeah. So in the meanwhile, it has uh, has removed some of the things, but maybe there are some things. So you can like again go through with it again, give it a go, tell it to update or like try to fix it. So again, go through it, and after that, all the warnings, when all the warnings are done, you can just publish it. So just publish anyway, and it will create a own like domain. You can select your own domain as well, like if you have a custom domain, and then it's building firstly, and then you can like go to this domain and you can see your lovable app. So I guess it's not done. Yeah, it's done. Let's open it and let's see what it is doing. If you see, I have security because in the mentor section, I'm not having any login thing, so anyone is able to create an account and everything. So that is the reason I was getting the warning. But maybe that is the rule for you to like, you can remove all these things, you can add a login thing and everything. But yeah, this is fine for me right now for this workshop. If I can show you how it would look with the security, because I have created one. Let me just show you. Okay, all the projects. Let me go. So these listed all the projects that I have created, and let's see. Also, you can see how many credits I've used for this particular thing that I've created. Let's see. Let's see that settings. Okay, you can see 8.30. So 8.3 credit we have used to create this application. Maybe if you create some more twists, like maybe add a login authentication thing, it will maximally use 10 credits. After that, you will be having your application. So yeah, this is the demo that I've created for this, and it has the login thing. See, when I go to the mentor section, I have the login authentication. So yeah, let's see. I have already signed up. So let's see. I need to go. Okay, I don't remember my password. Let's see. Not able to. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, able to. Also, you can see um, in the super base, you can see the database here, and the email and the password. I can, you can show see here. And after I have done that, I can write it here. So it won't be having the security reasons. It's because again, no one is able to write it until they do the login thing. So yeah, that is it, I guess. And this is the application that you have created. I suppose this looks nice for the starters.
This looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So everyone, you can, I believe, make a full-fledged product in 100 credits sponsored by Lovable, and then after this hackathon, you just launch your project on Product Hunt. It's peer list. It's one of the good platforms where you can show the world that this is your project, and you can get credibility and exposure there. And maybe if you have any suggestions for post hackathon, then we can have it. Maybe we can arrange a session. Okay, now you have a product, how to get funding, how to launch that weird fun hackathon idea into a startup. Because yes, I do seen some projects which just made out of curiosity, out for fun, that are doing really great. For example, Linux, GitHub, which we use nowadays, Git language particularly. They are just fun project of Linux torval, and yeah, now everyone is using it, right? Uh, and Shreya, Nandika is saying, thank you so much for clearing the doubt.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. And yeah, we do have Nandika who is up for dancing. We do have Yashi who is up for singing, and Shreya too. And we have everyone with us. So I'll DM you, or Nandika and Yashi, please DM me on LinkedIn. And Shreya, I do have Shreya's number, so we can make a really amazing hackathon tomorrow. And
Sure.
thank you so much. I believe the session's over, Shreya.
Yeah, yeah. It's over.
Oh wow. Uh, nice. I enjoyed it. Time का पता ही नहीं चला.
Okay.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Shreya, for coming, for sharing your insights. And I was really afraid that people would not gonna show up and maybe not gonna interact. But still, I'm really happy that Nantika, Lavanya, Yashi, Ishwari, Muskan, and Hirva come
Mhm.
up, and Yashika, Kavinya, and a lot of people who not commented, Archita, have come up. So please do join tomorrow's virtual networking meeting. I still have to plan it out how to lay it down, but still, thank you so much for coming. And everyone, those who have commented, please share your email ID in the LinkedIn. We'll give everyone who commented one a month of Canva premium subscription worth 500. And those who have previously won, it will be added, and added. Okay.
So maybe
Yeah.
they can create a yearly hair as well.
Yes, yes. In the previous session, we have awarded 6 months of Canva premium
Mhm.
subscription, worth 2000. So, as a Canva as a partner, so yeah, we would love to give these small gifts on Christmas Day. Yeah, small appreciation
Yeah,
gifts.
yeah,
Nandika is
Nandika,
asking.
you can sync it with the GitHub as well. Like you have the link here, you can get the things and you can sync it with the GitHub. So just connect your GitHub and just push it out.
Nice. Lavanya is saying, looking forward to tomorrow's hackathon to have fun with everyone and build something weird. Thank you, Shreya, for a wonderful session. It was a really informative and helpful session on vibe coding. Thank you so much. On behalf of Shreya, thank you, Lavanya, for joining. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for joining and thank you for inviting. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Shreya. Have a great Christmas and New Year ahead. Happy New Year, everyone. Meet you
Happy New Year.
tomorrow. And
Happy
we
Christmas, everyone.
happy Christmas. And we have another session at 7 p.m. in the morning, 7 p.m. today. So see you there. Bye bye.
Bye bye.